Hello and welcome back to Undertale. All right, so we're facing Asgore, huh? Got to take his soul because that's what Alpha said. Man, it's quiet. Just keep going. Just keep going. So I keep maybe I just forgot this or something, but I didn't realize that it actually did take a human soul and a monster soul. I've seen people play this game before, but maybe that's just something I forgot. Because that's... Ooh. New home? Oh my gosh. This is gonna bum me out, isn't it? The coals are still warm. Long time ago, a human fell into the ruins. Injured by its fall, the human called out for help. You took the key and put it on your phone's keychain. Oh, I have a keychain. So when you just use fire magic instead. Oh, that's right. Yeah, of course. Asriel, the king's son, heard the human's call. He brought the human back to the castle. The way is blocked by 2 padlocks. There's a note attached. Howdy, I'm in the garden. If you have anything you need to get off your chest, please don't hesitate to come. The keys are in the kitchen and in the hallway. Oh, man. Asgore is going to be a swell guy. I'm going to step in there, have to murder him, just so I can go home. Over time, Asriel and the human became like siblings. The king and queen treated the human child as their own. The underground was full of hope. You took the key and put it on your phone's keychain. Despite everything, it's still you. Well, I mean, yeah. Man, this music is so... It's inspiring, but it's also kind of depressing, given the situation. Ooh. Then, one day, the human became very ill. The sick human had only one request, to see the flowers from their village. But there was nothing we could do. The next day, the human died. Oh, wow. Dark. Dark. Asriel, racked with grief, absorbed the human's soul. He transformed into a being with incredible power. With the human soul, Asriel crossed through the barrier. He carried the human's body into the sunset, back to the village of the humans. Asriel reached the center of the village. There, he found a bed of golden flowers. He carried the human onto it. Suddenly, screams rang out. The villagers saw Asriel holding the human's body. They thought that he had killed the child. Wow. The dummies. The humans attacked him with everything they had. He was struck with blow after blow. Asriel had the power to destroy them all. Let me guess, he didn't. But Asriel did not fight back. Clutching the human, Asriel smiled and walked away. Wounded, Asriel stumbled home. He entered the castle and collapsed. His dust spread across the oh my gosh. Man. The idea of them turning dust is really messed up. The kingdom fell into despair. The king and queen had lost 2 children in one night. The humans had once again taken everything from us. Man. Ugh. The king decided it was time to end our suffering. Every human who falls down here must die. With enough souls, we can shatter the barrier forever. It's not long now. King Asgore will let us go, give us hope, save us all. Man. I feel bad because I almost feel like I should just offer them my soul. You should be smiling too. Aren't you excited? Aren't you happy? I mean, not necessarily, but I mean... You're going to be free. Oh, man. Man, stop with this depressing... Oh, man, I'm just... Wait. Was that... Oh, okay. That's not... Oh. Ooh, sheesh. Oh, wow. That's a nice sound clip. So you finally made it. The end of your journey is at hand. In a few moments, you will meet the king. Together, you will determine the future of this world. That's then. Now, you will be judged. You will be judged for your every action. You will be judged for every experience you've earned. What's experience? It's an acronym. It stands for execution points, a way of quantifying the pain you have inflicted on others. When you kill someone, your execution points increases. When you have enough execution points, your love increases. Love, too, is an acronym. Oh, gosh. It stands for level of violence, a way of measuring someone's capacity to hurt. The more you kill, the easier it becomes to distance yourself. You see what I'm talking about when I say that this game is really... Okay, the more you kill, the easier it becomes to distance yourself. The more you distance yourself, the less you will hurt. The more easily you can bring yourself to hurt others. Man. But you never gained any love. Of course, that doesn't mean you're completely innocent or naive, just that you kept a certain tenderness in your heart. No matter the struggles or hardships you faced, you strive to do the right thing. You refused to hurt anyone. Even when you ran away, you did it with a smile. You never gained love, but you gained love. Oh, I see what you did there. That's nice. Does that make sense? Maybe not. Now, you're about to face the greatest challenge of your entire journey. Your actions here will determine the fate of the entire world. If you refuse to fight, Asgore will take your soul and destroy humanity. But if you kill Asgore and go home, monsters will remain trapped underground. What will you do? Well, if I were you, I would have thrown in the towel by now. But you didn't get this far by giving up, did you? Well, I mean, I ran away from Undyne, but... That's right. You have something called determination. So as long as you hold on, so as long as you do what's in your heart, I believe you can do the right thing. All right. We're all counting on you, kid. Good luck. Thanks, man. And he disappears. Oh, boy. Talk about tough decisions. Throner. Oh, man. I mean, if it's given me the option to walk this way, I'm going to do it. That straight face. Oh. It's a coffin. There's a name engraved on it. Mac. Ooh. It's empty. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is nice and weird. Dum-de-dum. Oh, is someone there? Just a moment. I have almost finished watering the flowers. These flowers. Here we are. Howdy. How can I... Oh, man, look at his face! Oh. Well, this is awkward. I so badly want to say, would you like a cup of tea? I'm down. But you know how it is. Man, this guy. Man! Nice day today, huh? Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. Perfect weather for a game of catch. Oh, man! I'm sorry! You know what we must do. When you are ready, come into the next room. This guy gives me the chance to walk away. Oh, man. Oh, man. Man, all these save points right next to each other. How tense. Just think of it like a visit to the dentist. Yeah, but dentists just pull your teeth and stuff. You're gonna kill me. Are you ready? If you are not, I understand. I'm not ready either. Man! I mean, I'm doing the good route. I'm doing, I don't kill things route. I still feel bad. This is the barrier. This is what keeps us all trapped underground. If by chance you have any unfinished business, please do what you must. Oh man. Continue. I see. This is it, then. Ready? Oh man, the other souls. A strange light fills the room. Twilight is shining through the barrier. It seems your journey is finally over. You're filled with determination. Human, it was nice to meet you. Oh, man. Goodbye. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, man, of course. Final boss. Asgore attacks. Oh, man. Okay, you quietly tell Asgore you don't want to fight him. His hands tremble for a moment. Oh! Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Man, I don't want to do this. Oh, of course I get hit by the last one. I really don't want to hurt the guy. This is what you gotta do. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious. Oh, man, I'm about to die. Oh, my gosh, I'm out of stuff. Pie. You ate the butterscotch pie. Your HP has maxed out. The smell reminded Asgore of something. Probably his wife. Asgore's attack down. Asgore's defense down. Man. Oh, looks like I'm gradually doing more. Wow, I can't believe I actually made it past that. Oh, nope, it was my imagination. I'm getting good at that. Ah, it's moving faster a little bit. Oh, why did I move? Man, he's got a lot of health too. This guy doesn't mess around. He must work out. Oh man, every time I swing it, I feel bad. Yeah. What am I hitting him with anyway? Aha! I'm pretty good at that. I love that trident. That is so cool. I'm sorry, I'm geeking out a little bit, but it's a cool weapon. Especially for like a king figure. Oh man, so cool. Oh goodness. Ow! It moved so weird. Stop! Duh! Oh man, and I'm not even halfway there, and I'm almost dead with like no healing stuff. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, it hit me! I kept moving. Oh yeah, the CT. You drink the CT, your speed boosts. You recover 10 HP. Oh baby, speed boost. That's what I needed. Oh man, this is taking a long time. Oh, the speed boost lasts. Goodness. Should have used that in the beginning. Man. No, no, oh no. Dog residue? That doesn't heal, right? I'm about to get wrecked. Hardcore. No! Dang it! Dang it, dang it, dang it. Man. You're going to be alright. Oh. And you know that's the king talking. That just depresses me. Okay. I don't... I've got a lot of gold. I could go back and get healing items, or I could just try again, because, you know, I'm gonna try again. Ready? Oh, man. I guess I'll try to finish this video with beating him if it takes long enough. Asgore attacks. Man, I'm doing just butt cheeks damage. Like, man. Yeah. Oh man. Ooh. Maybe I'll do a little better. Okay, I lied. I'm already getting hit by things. Dang it! Ooh, that perfect, right in the middle. Don't move. I've got that thing equipped that heals me every turn. I mean, it's working good so far, but yeah, see? But man, all of his attacks do like 5 or 6. I can't count because I'm not, you know, a little busy. Oh wow, that was amazing. Man. Whew. Come on, I need to do a little more damage than that. Sheesh! No! Oh man. Let me try the CT first, because it'll boost my speed. Dang it! Oh, this is easy. I can dodge this. What I'm worried about is this. What? He hit me? Oh my gosh. Alright, pie. Hey, the butterscotch pie. Our HP is maxed out. Smell reminded Asgore of something. Asgore's attack down. Asgore's defense down. Man. Okay, come on. Focus. Focus. This is... So that was like the third time I've died, I think. Third? Maybe fourth? I'm doing my best to not have a bunch of deaths, you know, playing this game. Because it's really, when you're playing it like this, it is really hard, but I would think that it's harder to play, like, killing the monsters. Because then you do actually have to, oh gosh, you actually have to rely on getting experience. Man. I'm, like, about to be halfway. Goodness gracious. And I have nothing. Man. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to be finished. Oh, come on. This is the easy one, right? No, it's not. Oh. Yeah, you can't give up just yet. Keep fighting me, stupid. Man. Alright. I guess I have to. I'm gonna run back to, man. I really don't like backtracking, but I'm gonna run back to the little Metaton hotel place, because you can buy those glam burgers and they max out your health. Actually, no. There's better things to buy. There's better things out there. I'm gonna run all the way back, but it won't take a super long time. So because they give you all these shortcuts now. So let's just do that real quick. Man, Asgore, hard fight, harder than I thought he'd be, anyways. Because I mean, I'm super good at the game. I'm breezing through everything, right? Yeah. Everything's quiet. Oh wait, it was already quiet during this hallway part, because that was when Alphys was being, Alphys. Oh, Metaton's gone. No. Oh, my jam. Oh, wow. Yeah, see? It's super fast. Oh, the little pit of fire, I believe, is where Gaster fell into the core and, whatever. Do you have anything? Oh, that's right, you don't. Oh. Okay. What I'm going to do is go to... Right foot. I'm going to go to Snowden, because you can stay in the inn and your health gets boosted and, all that good stuff. But I will make sure that I'll make sure that this video ends with Asgore getting, beat. Wait a minute. Is that wrong? That's wrong! I thought I remembered how this worked. I don't remember how this works. How do you go back to Snowden Town? Maybe it's left floor one? Yeah, there you go. Okay. Tra-la-la, I'm the riverman, or am I the river woman? It doesn't really matter. I love to ride in my boat. Would you like to join me? Ride in the boat? Yes. Let's go to Snowden. We're off. Tra-la-la, what's my name? It doesn't really matter. Ooh, so mysterious. Oh, that's where I got that phone call. Come again sometime, tra-la-la. Yeah, I probably will. You're the fastest way to get to where I need to go, anyways. Here we are. Okay, so let me put some stuff in the box. I don't need that. Don't need that. I think I will use the punch card, actually. Let me see. Punch card. Battle item used to make punching attacks stronger in one battle. Okay. Alright, let's buy some stuff. Ooh, wow. Oh, you can eat it twice. Might as well just get this. Okay, so, got the healing items. Go to the inn. Yeah, go to the inn. I'm not really sleeping. I rested for 2 minutes. You know, you already know this by now. Man, that sounds like my brother. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. I think this is a shortcut? No, it was basically the same distance. Great. Walking. Yeah. Care for ride, yep. Hotland. No, it has a dog face, and it's running on the water. Tra-la-la. Teamy Village. The room before the darkening lantern. So I was right earlier, I just couldn't find it. Man. That's the only place in this game where you can sell items. And that would have helped me out a little bit. Come again sometime. Tra-la-la. I should also point out that the boat person actually mentioned something about Gaster. Oh, wait. Right, floor 3? I don't remember which one it is. Let's hope I'm not wrong. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the boat lady, boat person, whatever it is. They say something along the lines of... Well, there's news. They say something along the lines of, beware the man who talks in hands or with hands. That's Gaster, though, which is interesting. Oh, my gosh. But since he was never actually a part of this game, like, boss fight-wise, or even really barely character-wise, you can find him somewhere, but he just disappears. But I just thought that was really interesting, because it's a character that you know nothing about, and he's just here. He's, like, mentioned a lot, and it's weird. But, yeah, I just find that kind of stuff interesting. Oh, man, back to fighting Asgore. Great. Okay. Now, at least we're back here with all the healing items, and I can actually win, maybe. Oh, man. Don't judge me if I lose this time. Even though I've got all these healing items, I know that I wasn't faring too well last time. Yeah, I got you. Go through here. I just extended this video like 5 minutes longer than it needed to be. Oh well. Yeah, I'm ready. Man, so legit. No mercy, huh? Alright. Punch card. Oorah! You rip up the punch card, but nothing happened. What? What? Oh my gosh, the punch card is useless. Are you serious? Can you not use it in boss fights? I mean, I haven't had to fight anything so far, like actually punch it. That's lame. Waste of item slot. Alright, I'm good. I didn't get hit. Man, that upsets me. It upsets me more than it should, but what's the point in getting that item if it's not going to help you? Oh, man. Come on. Easy peasy. Yeah, right in the middle. Dang it. I almost got out of that unscathed. I should have healed. If he uses something bad. Oh, man. Alright, let me go ahead and use the CT so my speed will be up. Man. Asgore. You're harder than you look. Ah. Come on. I haven't had to do this little fight thing where you try to hit it right in the middle yet, because I haven't fought anything. This is a little harder to get used to. Yeah, there we go. Do some damage. There we go. I mean, I shouldn't be happy about this. I'm attacking him. He's just... Oh my goodness. Eat the pie. Attack down, defense down. That's good. Oh, come on. Oh! 101. Come on. It just doesn't do enough. Yeah, you thought you got me. 102. Man, come on. I need to do more damage to this guy. Ooh, goodness gracious! Ah. No, 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 no! Ah, man. Man, I get hit twice! It gets harder and harder to dodge that. Oh, come on. I stopped. You know I stopped. Man. No! No, 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 don't die on this! Don't die! No, oh, man! No, I'm not stopping the video yet. I've got to beat him. Man. Ridiculous. You know what? I wish I could have dropped that. Man. What's my stats? My weapon is a stick. Should have grabbed something better than that. Yeah, man. Asgore, you're killing me, man. Literally. You tell Asgore that he's killed you 3... Wow. Keeps count. He nods sadly. Is that it? He doesn't react in any other way? Man. I know this fight isn't like super hard, but it would. I should have switched weapons. Oh my gosh, I'm getting wrecked. Ah, man. It's not a hard fight. It's just. I mean, it's. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna make excuses. I'm not good at doing the actual fighting part, and the dodging stuff is really hard. For me, at least. I don't. Maybe if you guys play the game, it's not quite as hard, but man. Hardest fight for me so far. Yeah, that's right. Alright, come on. Let's do some damage. Yes. Decent. I need to try my best to survive without using the items, because my item I have equipped already is healing me enough every turn. It's just, I panic when I have like 1 HP left. Health point, whatever you like calling it. Come on. Do more damage! Okay. I survived that. 90. Sheesh. No. Come on. This fight takes so long. Oh my gosh, no. No. No! Ah, man, eat the pie. Oh, yeah, that was a little unfair. Come on, do more damage. That's so hard to not. That's the hardest one, is when it goes orange, blue, orange. Ah. Man. Come on. I'm not even halfway there, and I'm already, like, running out of health items and not doing enough damage and getting hit. Ah. Man. Get it right in the middle. 100, that's nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Determination. No. Ah, man, come on. Oh, wow. That was way more. Oh, come on. Of course I gotta get hit by that last little inky-dinky one. Wow, 190. Ooh, that's right. I should heal. Not going to, though. 213. Oh, it's gradually getting more and more. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, no. Now I'm going to heal. Man, you eat the cinnamon bunny. Your HP is maxed out. Well, that was weird. I couldn't tell where it was coming from. Oh, I can do this. That was close. I almost moved. 289. Man. Doing a good job. I should never say that, because I'm going to mess up if I do. 288. Oh, it's so close. If I don't get killed by the giant fireballs. I did it. Kind of. Ah. So that is how it is. I'm sorry. I really am. I remember the day after my son died. The entire underground was devoid of hope. The future had once again been taken from us by the humans. In a fit of anger, I declared war. I said that I would destroy any human that came here. I would use their souls to become godlike and free us from this terrible prison. Then I would destroy humanity and let monsters rule the surface in peace. Soon the people's hopes returned. My wife, however, became disgusted with me, with my actions. She left this place, never to be seen again. Truthfully, I do not want power. I do not want to hurt anyone. I just wanted everyone to have hope. I'm sorry, but I cannot take this any longer. I just want to see my wife. I just want to see my child. Please, young one, this war has gone on long enough. You have the power. Take my soul and leave this cursed place. Absolutely not. After everything I have done to hurt you, you would rather stay down here and suffer than live happily on the surface? Human, I promise you, for as long as you remain here, my wife and I will take care of you as best we can. We can sit in the living room, telling stories, eating butterscotch pie. We could be like a family. Oh my gosh, you're killing me. Ugh. Mm. Oh, the devil is among us! You idiot. You haven't learned a thing. In this world, it's kill or be killed. Oh. Well, alright. I guess that's it for this video. I mean, we beat Asgore, right? Yay! Good stuff. Good stuff. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. If you please go ahead and let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you really like it, hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Okay. Laters.